This is question 4 of page 126. Stick A is 9 out of 10 meter long. It is 3 out of 8 meter longer than stick B. Stick C is 1 out of 10 meter shorter than stick B. What is the length of stick C? So we have 3 sticks here. Let's draw them. We have A, and then we have B, and we have C. Okay, let's start with A. A is 9 out of 10 meter long. Okay, 9 out of 10. And it is 3 out of 8 meter longer than stick B, which means stick B is shorter by 3 out of 8 meter. Okay, this is shorter by 3 out of 8 meter. We have stick C. Stick C is 1 out of 10 meter shorter than stick B. So it's shorter, 1 out of 10 meter shorter than stick C. What is the length of stick C? In order for us to find or arrive at stick C, we need to find out what is stick B. So first step is to find stick B. So we know it is 3 out of 8 meter shorter. You have to subtract that away. So we have 9 out of 10, take away 3 out of 8. Okay, once again we need to find the common multiple of 10 and 8. So once you work it out, you'll find that the common multiple of 10 and 8 is 40. The first common multiple of 10 and 8 is 40. So I need to make the denominator is 40, and the numerator will follow the denominator. Okay, so with that, the like fraction will be 36 out of 40 minus 15 out of 40. And you will find out what is stick B. 36 minus 15 will be 21 out of 40. This is the length for stick B. Okay, once you know the length of stick B, we can move on to stick C. Stick C is 1 out of 10 shorter. So 21 out of 40 minus 1 out of 10. In this case, we only need to change the 10 to 40 to make it like fraction. So we will have 21 out of 40 minus 4 out of 40. This will result in the final answer of 17 out of 40. This is the length of stick C. You can also work backwards to find out if your answer is correct. So you write the length of stick C is 17 out of 40 meters. Remember your unit. Okay, thank you.